Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn French with Tejaswini. In the last video we had seen masculine to feminine rules. Now in this video we will see masculine to feminine sentence exercises. So masculine to feminine sentence exercises are based on the adjective rules. So this video is effective for all the students SSC, CBSC, ICSC, IGCSE and CIE and the beginners learning the language. So in the earlier video, all the rules are discussed in detail regarding how to make the adjectives from masculine to feminine. Now we will discuss how the sentences are done from masculine to feminine. And remember to change this when doing masculine to feminine sentences. So on the left hand side I have given masculine words. In the middle I have explained what it is, and to the right hand side the feminine word associated to the masculine word is given. So I am starting. That is indefinite article, becomes une. Then le, the definite article, becomes la. Il, the subject pronoun, that is third person singular, becomes elle. Il, the subject pronoun third person plural, becomes elle. Please note the S is not pronounced neither in il plural or elle plural. Then père, the family member, becomes mère. Frère, the family member, becomes sir. Oncle, the family member, becomes tante. Neveu, family member, becomes nièce. Homme, the person, becomes femme. And garçon, the person, becomes fille. And important, please remember when changing the sentences from masculine to feminine, the verb remains the same. Now we will have a look at some of the masculine to feminine sentences. Il est gros. So il becomes elle. A, that is the verb, that is remains is, that is a, and gros becomes gros. Then l'oncle est beau. So l'oncle becomes la tante. A remains a, and beau becomes belle. So I'm just explaining. Il est gros is he is fat, elle est grosse, she is fat. L'oncle est beau, uncle is handsome, la tante est belle, the aunt is beautiful. Okay, the third one. Il est content, so that is he is happy, becomes she is happy, so il becomes elle, a remains the same as it is the verb, and content becomes contente with e. Then le frère est mince, le frère, it is the brother, is thin, so frère becomes sir, le becomes la, so it is la sœur est mince. Then les garçons sont intelligents, les garçons becomes les filles, so boys becomes girls, sont intelligentes becomes intelligent with es. Then ils sont formidables, il becomes elle, so remains the same as it is the verb, and formidable, yes, it remains the same, formidable. Ils sont petits, okay, il becomes elle, so remains the same, and petit becomes petite, feminine plural, es. Le père est gentil, le père becomes la mère, mother, father becomes mother. Est gentil is kind, it remains is kind, but il becomes il. So le père est gentil, la mère est gentille, same pronunciation. Voici un garçon content, so voici une fille contente. Voici, it is here is or there is, so here is a happy boy, so un garçon content. Here is a happy girl, une fille contente with e. Il est mécontent, he is unhappy, he is not happy. Elle est mécontente, she is unhappy. Then some more sentences. Il est souriant, il est souriant, il becomes elle, elle est souriante with e. He is happy, he is smiling, she is happy. Le garçon est amusant, it becomes la fille est amusante. So le garçon, it is the boy, is amusant is funny, the girl is funny, la fille est amusante with e. C'est un homme, So it becomes c'est une femme. This is a man, this is a lady. Ils sont grands, they are tall, and grand is also big. It becomes elles sont grandes. So that is they are big or tall. Le garçon est sympathique. It becomes la fille est sympathique. The boy is kind. The girl is kind. So friends, please share this video to the students studying in the schools in these boards, that is SSC, ICSC, CBSC, IGCSE and CIE, and the beginners learning French, and of course yes, you are also learning French. So this is basically the video to learn the masculine to feminine rules, and the sentence exercises are given with meanings here, with examples. So please click on like and share this video to your friends. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.